I'm Brett Henning from Broadcom. Please join me and Scott Fong from Cisco Systems at this year's SNIA Storage Security Summit as we discuss the SPDM protocol. The SPDM protocol is the security protocol and data model. It is a set of standards published by DMTF. You may be familiar with DMTF, as DMTF also publishes many other widely used standards, including MCTP, PLDM, and Redfish. SPDM is a protocol that is designed for security purposes. It's designed to allow two different endpoints of a system to establish trust between each other. So in most cases, what you would talk about is you would talk about a root of trust and you would talk about an endpoint device. In the SPDM spec, you would hear them referred to as a requester and a responder. In many systems today, a requester has a policy that it has to establish trust with a responder before it will use the responder in the system. SPDM is a protocol that enables that exchange of trust information. In addition to that, SPDM enables the creation of a secure channel between the two endpoints. Specifically, what you can do is you can establish a secured session and exchange encrypted messages between the two endpoints. These messages would allow you to encrypt management traffic between them. When we look at the SPDM protocol, at this point, we've released 3 different versions of the SPDM protocol. During the talk, we'll be discussing what was established in the first version, SPDM 1.0. SPDM 1.0 was really focused on establishing a basic level of trust between endpoints. And so it allowed endpoints to exchange information, to tell you about their identities, to prove out the authenticity of those identities, and then to exchange information about the state of the device. These are all important aspects of establishing secure communication, or of establishing trust. In SPDM 1.1, which we will also be covering in the talk, the task force added the ability to establish encrypted and authenticated communication between the endpoints. So with that, they get the ability to exchange what SPDM refers to as secure messages. These secure messages enable encryption between the endpoints. So now management traffic can be secured so that it cannot be snooped when it's crossing the wire. There's actually a third version of the SPDM spec that's also available. This is SPDM 1.2. We will not be covering it in the talk, but we will provide links that can point you to additional resources to go discover information about SPDM 1.2. At a high level, SPDM 1.2 just added more commands and capabilities to the underlying spec. In addition to what's typically considered a systems management or a BMC-centric security model, during our talk, we're going to spend some time discussing how SPDM can also be applied to the storage space, because there's interesting and exciting work going on that actually allows SPDM to be extended out to storage devices. So look forward to a preview of that at the end of the talk. Thank you, and we hope to see you at the session on this Wednesday.